So, good morning class. As you all must be knowing that in last lecture we learned about the environmental balance, that is the half part. Okay, we have learned till food chain. Okay, in the same way we are going to come to the next part. In nature there are many food chains. If one of the links in a chain become extinct, can the food chain last? Okay, so this I have explained before in the first part. Now next, let's come to the next part, that is the food web. Now over here it is given that observe the various food chains shown in the pictures below. Now over here there is a picture given below of one food chain, what on which animals they depend on each other. Find the different food chains of which the worms and the mouse form a link. So I'll show you the picture later. Just go through that picture and just see what kind of animals, what are they dependent on. One living thing can be a part of a number of food chain that give rise to a food web in a nature. Now these living things, they are a part of a food chain. As I told you all that they depend on each other. They interact with each other. So this give a food web in nature. Now next, see the picture I have shown you all below, right? So this is a picture one of the food web. Food web formed by the interlinking of several food chains. Now next, the most important food in the food chain, plants. Every living thing get its food from the environment. As you all know that we all living things get food from the environment. If environment were not there, then we were not able to get our food. Many animals in the environment eat only plants. Other animals eat the animals that live on plant. But plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight, using water and the carbon dioxide from the air. It means that plants are the main support of every food chain. Now over here, animals in the environment eat plants, right? Have you all seen the animals eating plants? Yes. So many animals eat plants. Also some animals eat animals which lives on plants. Okay, you all must have been seen certain cats, they go to eat butterfly, right? In such way many animals also eat animals that live on plants. But plants make their own food, keep this in mind. Plants make their food always. Okay, so how they present their food, how they make their own food? They make their food from sunlight and water, and the carbon dioxide which we give, they take that carbon dioxide from the air. It means that plants also support their own food chain. Okay, so now see the picture is given below of the plant making their own food. Okay, they get sunlight, they also get carbon dioxide, oxygen and water. Now next, environmental balance. Now let's come to the end point, that is environmental balance. There are many food chains in our environment. Because of these food chains, every living thing gets the food it needs and therefore continues to live. Now there are many food chains in our environment, right? So students, if you all want to open your book, open your textbook and just go through the lesson once. Okay, so there are many food chains in our environment. Because of these food chains, every living things get their food they need. Now next, microorganisms living in the soil help the process of decomposition of plant residue, residue, dead animals, excreta, etc. Now, as I told you all first, what are the microorganisms? Microorganisms are the organisms which also comes in the form of soil due to the decomposition of the plants or animals. Okay, so these plants reuses dead animals, etc. Right? Okay, as a result, substances that help the growth of plants are formed and get added to the soil. Okay, different substances they mixed in each other, therefore the plants formed and get the soil. Plants use them for their own growth. As you all know that plants make their own food. Next, thus plants use substances in the soil for their growth, and when plants and animals dies, now these plants uses substances from the soil, okay, due to the decomposition of the plants or dead animal. The decomposition of this remains add the substances to the soil once again. This is an important cycle in the environment. Okay, when the decomposition of the plants and animals will get performed, then only the plants will grow in the proper substance, and in this way the important cycle goes on in a environment. Also, living things get a continuous supply of water because of the water cycle. Now here the another part comes as water cycle. These living things get continuous supply of water, right? We get water then and now. Why? Because of this supply of water and also due to the water cycle. Living things use oxygen from the air for breathing and give out carbon dioxide gas. Now these living things use oxygen from air. Okay, they need oxygen. We all are living things, so we need oxygen to live, right? And we give out carbon dioxide gas. Plants use this carbon dioxide for the air for making their food, as I told you all before. Oxygen is given out in this process and gets added to the air again. This is a cycle in nature. Okay, this oxygen is given out in the process and gets added to the air again. This is a cycle nature. There are several other cycles in nature. There are many cycles in the nature. Okay, thus there is interaction amongst living things and between living and non-living things in the nature. The interactions go on continuously. This helps to maintain the food chain in the environment. When the various cycles in the environment go on uninterrupted, environmental balance gets maintained. Okay, so when they go and depend on each other, the various cycles in the environments are uninterrupted, right? Therefore the environmental balance is being maintained. So after finishing this lesson we have completed over here. So students, just go once again through the whole part of this lesson. Okay, you will understand it better more, and you will also learn also new things from this about such as living things and non-living things. Okay, so here we are ending up with a lesson that is environmental balance. Thank you for cooperating and for listening to the lesson. Stay safe, take care. Thank you.